So here's the best thing you can do to help your chiropractic adjustments work better. Basically put a team together. If you got a good chiropractor, they'll have a good team of people they can refer you to. For instance, chiropractic and personal training, chiropractic and massage therapy, chiropractic and acupuncture. I told a patient once, hey, you should go get a massage. That would make both of our lives easier. You'd feel better and I wouldn't have to work as hard. She goes, I can't get a massage. I said, why not? She goes, because every time I get a massage, I either end up crying or pregnant. I'm like, who do you get your massages from? My husband. And you need a different massage therapist.